Another Star Wars themed business card size kit. Obviously printed a little bit bigger than the business card. And ATST Star Wars. Can't quite read that. I thought it said Blackwood, but it doesn't. BAC something wood. Never mind. We'll lift that off and assemble it. Right, last one in this little series for now. Backwards 3D. I was thinking it said Blackwoods, so it's Backwards 3D. It's an ATST, Star Wars themed, of course. Printed on low quality again for speed. And also printed rather larger than a business card. Cut that one there and there. Trim these up a little bit in a minute. Only got 4 pieces to put together. Always cut away from yourself. You should be doing it that way. Not sure what that bit's supposed to be. That bit needs to come off just there. Okay. If you wanted perfection, obviously you could tidy this up with a little file. Right, do we need glue or is it going to stick together? Oh, it's pretty tight. In fact, that's too tight. It's not actually going to go into the slot properly. That's a shame. They could have flipped that one over so we had detail on the other side. But then again, that's only got detail on one side, hasn't it? I suppose you could print that twice, so you've got identical on that side, and then it'd look okay. Well, at least it stands up. I guess it looks okay.
Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.